What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Charge It Up. For today's video, we're going to be adding a quick accessory to the Model X on the inside, and that will be for the Beach Buggy racing game. Alright guys, so as many of you may know, the Beach Buggy racing game is actually one of the cool games that's in the Tesla that you can play with by using your steering wheel actually. And in this case, you can use your front steering wheel to play the entire time, whether or not you're at a charging station or whether you're bored, or I'm just like I am right now, I'm just playing in my garage. So obviously you can use your steering wheel here. You can use the steering wheel to play the game, which is actually really fun. However, it's actually a lot nicer if you have a wireless remote. And I say that only because I have actually played it with the wireless remote, and now that I know that it's a little bit better. So what we'll do today actually is we'll add in a little receiver, a little tiny Bluetooth receiver, and that way we'll be able to play with a wireless controller from my Xbox. So this is a Bluetooth receiver. As you can see, it actually has the LED indicators. I ordered this off of Amazon. Not very difficult to install whatsoever. Then I have an Xbox One controller that I already own, so I didn't have to purchase one, but you can actually just get them on Amazon as well. Very simple to change between the different controllers or the different options that this thing has. Obviously it's got the sync when it blinks. The D input is blue, red is switch, the green is for X input, which is Xbox, I'm guessing. Then the Switch Pro is purple, and so on. For this, obviously there's a little button right there that you can just click to change that over. I've already have this at green, so it should come on, and the green light should come on there, which it does, and then it'll connect to the Xbox controller. And then as you can see right here, now I am actually controlling the screen with the Xbox controller. So now we can do single player or double player, and this actually comes in handy as well, because the second player can play with the controller, and then you can still play with the steering wheel if you really wanted to. In the character selection, and again, I'm doing it from the controller, I'll just use the same one here. We'll do one that we've already done. Play a quick round with the Xbox controller. Here we go. It's just simply because you have to actually hit the accelerator. It's very simple to control. It's a lot easier, in my opinion, than the steering wheel. It's not as finicky either, but again, it's very useful, especially if you're at a supercharging station. You don't want your tires going back and forth, because I've always thought about it and I was like, I wonder if it actually puts wear on your tire, because you're moving it back and forth without even moving around or anything like that. So that was a little thing that I had in the back of my mind. But I also have epoxy flooring in the garage, so it makes a lot of noise when I'm playing this game in the garage and just relaxing before we go anywhere. So I just think the wireless controller is a very good option. The receiver isn't expensive whatsoever. I'll put the link in the description below and you guys can check it out, but I think it's a much better option to play this game with, which is the wireless controller. Let's get some boost on. Woo! Super fun game, to be honest. And the cool thing is that actually you drive your car. You drive your car that you own, basically. Oh, I just got passed. No, barbecue. All right, first place. But again, so very easy to use with the Xbox controller. I'd highly recommend doing it. And to be honest, once I'm done playing, I usually just store it away down at the bottom over here. It gets put away. Put this on, close this, and we're good to go. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Very simple install for the wireless controller. Great option. And again, it lets you play the Beach Buggy racing from the Model X, Model 3, Model Y, or Model S. It works for all the Teslas, and it'll probably work on the Cybertruck and the Semi as well. Who knows? Very easy install. If you liked the video, guys, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button if you haven't already, smash it for more Model X videos coming up in the future. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about the install that was done today, and we'll see you in the next one.